How to hide a listing from friends on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can hide a listing from friends on Facebook Marketplace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Facebook account, just like I have done here, and navigate through to your marketplace. Once you navigate through to your marketplace, you go to the marketplace homepage, as you can see on my screen currently. Once that is done, by the right side of the screen, sorry, left side of the screen, you see a menu, display, browse all notifications, inbox, buying, selling, then create new listing. Okay, that's our focus in this tutorial. Just go ahead and click on create new listing. Once you click on it, you'll be asked to choose your listing type, select it, and then you will be brought to another page where you have to input more details about your listing. Here you will have to add a picture, then describe your products by the left side of the screen. Then scroll down. Once you get to the last part of the editing, you will see hide from friends. All right. This listing is public, but you you but will be hidden from friends on Facebook. So if you want to hide from friends, automatically this toggle is turned off. All you need to do is just to tap on it and the toggle will be turned off. You can see here. Then you can just go ahead once you input all the necessary details here, click connect and then create your listing. Once this listing is created, the listing will be hidden from your friends. So this is how you can hide a listing from friends on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.